Good morning, student. We'll start a new chapter of digital electronics, that is logic gates. Okay. Now, just like our brain is made up of neurons, billions of neurons are present in your brain. Okay. So, brain consists of neuron. Several people you study take several brain. All brains are made up of neurons. सब के सभी brain किसके बने? सिर्फ न्यूरॉन से बने. Likewise, computer, the processing unit of computer, memory, everything inside the computer is made up of what? Logic gates. सब कुछ अंदर का कंप्यूटर के अंदर किससे बना हुआ है? लॉजिक गेट से बना हुआ है. लॉजिक गेट से काउंटर बने हुए, लॉजिक गेट से मेमोरी बनी है, लॉजिक गेट से मल्टीप्लेक्सर डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर बनी है, एनकोडर डिकोडर बनी है. एवरीथिंग इनसाइड द कंप्यूटर इज देयर with the help of what? Logic gates. किससे बने हैं? सिर्फ लॉजिक गेट से बने. तो what is that logic gate? So logic gate is a digital circuit which has one or many inputs and single output. The digital circuit. Now digital circuit will operate on only two types of input, that is 0 and 1. 0 1 0 1. 0 means low voltage, 1 means high voltage. So input will be 0 and 1. Analog circuit, what happens? A wave is there. Continuous analog wave is there, so it will be 0 1 2 3 4 9 10 इस प्रकार से रहेगा. 9 8 7 इस प्रकार से रहेगा. तो उसमें variety of voltages range will be there, continuous range of voltages will be there. In digital circuit only two range is possible, that is 0 and 1. No, nothing is other is possible over there. So this kind of circuit we call as a digital circuit. So digital circuit which has one or more inputs, one or many inputs and single output. So that type of circuit is called a logic gate. Okay. So where is the logic gate used? Why to study logic gate? Because each and everything in the processor of computer, mobile phone, laptop is made up of what? Logic gates. किससे बना हुआ है? Logic gates. Now basic logic gates are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Basic logic gates are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. With the combination of these gates, everything is made. So these are the three basic gates: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. तो ये मोबाइल फोन का, कंप्यूटर का, लैपटॉप का त्रिदेव कौन हो गया? बोलो AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. इसके ऊपर ये सब ऑपरेट होता है ना? So basic gates are AND, OR and NOT. Then universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. Now universal gate, using only NAND gate you can imply any kind of function. Using only OR NOR gate you can perform any kind of function. Only NAND, only NOR. So this type of gates are called universal gates. इसको क्या बोलेगा? Universal gates. समझेगा? सब टाइप के फंक्शन इस गेट से बनना है, तो उसको क्या बोलेगा? Universal gate. Then extra gates. These are used somewhere, not always. So that's why these are called extra gates, and these are XOR gate and XOR gates. The basic gates are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Basic gates are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate, and extra gates are XOR gate and XOR gate. So these are what? Different types of gates used in a computer. Okay. Then we have to find the functioning of this gate with the help of what? A table which indicates output for all possible combination of inputs. All possible combination of input के लिए output क्या रहेगा? That is shown by this table. That table is called truth table. जैसे आप 12th में जाते हो तो आपके लिए combination क्या होगा? इंग्लिश है, फिजिक्स है, केमिस्ट्री है, मैथ्स है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है. तो इन सभी सब्जेक्ट का कॉम्बिनेशन आपके ऊपर अप्लाई कर दिया तो आपका आउटपुट क्या निकलेगा? Output will be the mark list. Okay. So that's why in the same way here we have to give several inputs and find out the output. So it is indicated in the form of table. So that table is called as truth table. Now suppose n inputs are there. So how much combinations are possible? 2 raised to power n combinations are possible. 1 input 2 raised to power 1, 2 combination. 2 input 2 raised to power 2, 4 combination. 3 input 2 raised to power 3, 8 combination. 4 inputs 2 raised to power 4, that is 16 combination. So that way combinations are there, present there in the truth table. So this we call as a truth table. Then Boolean equation. These things that we are studying here is because of George Boole. He has given different types of algebra and that algebra is called as Boolean algebra. इस algebra को क्या नाम देगा? Boolean algebra. So logic equation gives the operation of the particular digital circuit. एक particular digital circuit है, तो उस digital circuit का हम truth table बनाएंगे, 16 combination रहेंगे, लेकिन वो उतना बड़ा combination आपको न देखते हुए, तो उसके लिए आप एक single equation बना सकते हैं। और उस equation को क्या बोलेंगे हम? Boolean equation. जैसे circle है, circle के ऊपर infinite number of points है, locus of points which are equidistant from the center is what circle. Infinite number of points, इतने सब infinite number of points है, लेकिन उसका एक single equation of mathematics में लिख सकते हैं, and that is called equation of circle. In the same way, the logic gate can be expressed with the help of a single mathematical equation, and that is called as Boolean equation. For example, Boolean equation of AND gate is y is equal to a plus b. A and b are the input variables, y is the output variable, and plus is the operator. Plus क्या हो गया? Operator. उसको हम OR operator बोलते हैं. ठीक है? Plus is doing like normal addition, but it is not normal addition. It is the plus operator. Okay? So we have seen logic gate. Basic gates are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Then universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. And extra gates are XOR gate and XOR gate. Okay? Then truth table. The table which indicates output for all possible combination of inputs. Now n inputs are there. How much combination possible? 2 is for n combinations are possible. Okay. Then Boolean equation, the logic equation which gives the operation for the particular logic gate is what? Boolean equation y equal to a plus b. A and b are input variable, plus is the operator, y is the output variable. So this kind of equation will explain each logic gate. So that equation is called as Boolean equation in the honor of George Boole, who has developed this algebra. And because of this algebra, the computer has been developed. So development of computer goes to, this credit goes to George Boole, mathematician. Okay. Then AND gate we have to see. The very first gate is what? AND gate. The gate in which output is high only when all the inputs are high is called as AND gate. जो भी इनपुट्स है सबके सब इनपुट हाई तो आउटपुट हाई रहेगा और एनी वन ऑफ इनपुट लो रहा तो आउटपुट लो रहेगा. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ गेट इज कॉल्ड एज एंड गेट. जैसे हम टूर के लिए कहीं गए है ना, 100 बच्चे बस में और 100 बच्चे हम टूर के लिए गए और उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि एक बच्चा मिसिंग है. हम वहां से निकलना चाहते हैं लेकिन 99 बच्चे उसमें दिख रहे हैं, एक बच्चा मिसिंग है. सो एनी वन ऑफ इनपुट इज लो, आउटपुट इज लो, बस कैन नॉट बी स्टार्टेड. बट इफ ऑल 100 स्टूडेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द बस, bus can be immediately started. So all the inputs are high, output is high. Any one of the input is low, output is low. So that type of gate is called as AND gate. उस टाइप का जो ऑपरेटिंग फंक्शन है उसको क्या नाम देंगे हम? AND gate बोलेंगे. Now this is the symbol. D symbol is there. Symbol में D जैसा ड्रॉ किया है. A और B इनपुट है और y equal to A dot B आउटपुट रहेगा. Boolean equation क्या है? Y is equal to A dot B. Dot is called as AND operator. Just like multiplication, but different from multiplication, meaning is different from multiplication, that is called as AND operator. Y is equal to A dot B. Truth table A B Y 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. इसमें क्या हो रहा है? Any one of the input is low, output low आ रहा है. और 1 1 all the inputs are high, output is high. So this will be called as truth table of AND. So what we have seen today? Logic gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, basic gate, NAND and NOR are universal gate. XOR XNOR are extra gates. Then we have truth table, the table which gives output for all possible combination of input. Boolean equation, the logic equation which explains the behavior of each gate. Then next we have seen AND gate, the logic gate in which output is high when all the inputs are high, low when any one of the input is low. Then its equation is y is equal to A dot B. Truth table is A B Y 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. So you have to perform homework. Define truth table, define logic gate, truth table, Boolean equation, and explain basic gate and gate. Okay, have you understood? If you understood, please like my channel Kutti Science Academy and share it with friends and hit the bell icon. Okay, bye students.